Okay, so right here in UAR, sorry.
Make you no try am again, because now my knife I won't bring out so. Na chuka for chuku.
Right here in Nigeria, for you to get a digital art from your picture, it will cost you nothing less than 10,000 naira to 20,000 naira, depending on where you are getting it from and the artist that is involved. If you are kind of lost on what digital art is having to turn your pictures to a fine art like the one you see on the screen. I know you're about panicking right now, but don't worry. In this video, I'm going to be showing you where and how to get your own digital art for less than 4,000 naira. That's around $10. Okay? And you are just going to get this in less than a day or more, depending on the artist you are using. So if you give me your time right now, I'll show you how. Okay, so I'll leave a link in the description. The first link you see on the description will be a link leading you to this particular seller where you can get your own digital art for $10 of less than 4,000 naira in Nigeria. Okay, so click on the link, the first link in the description. Okay, so once you click on it, it will lead you to this point. Okay, so this is the seller. Honestly, there are so many other sellers on Fiverr that are doing this particular gig. Okay, but I specifically chose this seller because of his unique art style. Okay, look at this. This is a unique art style. I love the art style. There are so many other sellers that are doing this. Like if you go here, there are so many of them, but some of them look fugly. Okay, so I uniquely chose these ones for you guys, and also the cost. So these are some of the arts he has done. Okay, so as you can see, they are unique. I mean, if I should have one of these art right there, okay, against my white background, it will pop. Okay, so look at this also. This is so nice. Trust me, look at this. Okay, these are his samples of his art. Okay, and this is exactly what you are going to be getting too. Okay, this is exactly what you are going to be getting. You see, his art style is unique. It's not just generic like you have out there, those that are doing cartoon. These are the art styles, you see. So I specifically chose this one because the art style is unique. So it's not just an average artist drawing, vectors and all of those things. He plays with colors, and colors make your interior pop. So as you can see, head to shoulder, one of the longest side is 30 plus full color is $10. Okay, so you'll be getting $10 for. You'll be paying $10 for something like this. Let me show you what he meant. Okay. So something like this, you should be getting $10 for an art like this. Okay, do you guys see it? Okay, so 4 days delivery. I made a mistake in the video. It's 4 days delivery. Okay, so in 4 days time, he's going to deliver this work to you. All right, it's not bad. It's not bad actually. Okay, you can read so many of things about him right here in the description. He has extra package. Okay, if you want extra fast, you want it in 1 day. Okay, this is $20. Okay, $20 for it if you need it just in a day. Then you scroll down here. Okay, he has pretty good review because I'm not just recommending this artist for you. There are so many scammers on Fiverr. But for someone that has over 1,383 positive ratings, all 5-star, I mean, he's doing something right. Okay, so he's a trusted seller on Fiverr. So I'm not referring you guys to a thief or someone that will just do a shabby work and run away. No, he has done up to 1,383 of these similar arts. Okay, so you are getting quality from and he's also a level 2 seller, so you are getting quality from this particular person. Okay, so these are other packages that he has apart from the basic, which includes just $10. You have also other ones like head to shoulder, full color, high resolution hair. Okay, so this one is still okay, 2 revisions, still okay for $20. Then his premium is $40, which is held to shoulder, source files, AI. Like you get almost all of these packages: source file, high resolution, color, and all of those things. Okay, so this is pretty amazing deal. This is pretty amazing deal. This is pretty amazing deal for me. I don't know about you, but for Nigerians, they charge up to 10,000 naira to 20,000 naira just to get this done. And I'm showing you how to, get this for yourself for less than 4,000 naira is amazing. It's an amazing deal. So one other thing. Okay, I just want to explain to you. You might be saying, okay, I don't need it. Okay, how do I make money from it? Okay, so this is how you make money from this particular trick I just showed you right now. Okay, there are a lot of people getting married. Okay, there are a lot of people getting married. There are a lot of photographers, that have a package for frames. Okay, you have color book and all of those, wedding book. Okay, so how do you make money from this particular thing I just showed you right now if you don't need the digital art yourself? Okay, so this is how. You go to all these photographers in your locality. Okay, show them these samples that you can get their couples in this art form. Okay, you can get their couples in this art form. Tell them about this and strike a deal with them. Okay, they will tell you how much. Because you paid 4,000 naira, let's just make it 4,000 naira. That's $10 cost of the dollar rate. Okay, so I'm going to be charging you. Yeah, charge 10,000. I think 6,000 naira profit is not bad. Okay, charge 10,000 to get it done for him. Okay, so the couples will even be willing to pay. Just make sure that your profit margin is tangible. Okay, so tell them once they place an order, tell you, okay, go ahead, you place an order. They send the pictures, you send it to this buyer on Fiverr. Okay, order it and deliver to your customers. You see, they pay you and you pocket your profits. Do you guys see how it works? Okay, so this is pretty amazing, and not just about wedding photographers or couples getting married. There are boyfriend and girlfriend that are looking for ways to show love to their couples. This is a pretty amazing way to do that. Tell them you've got this package you're running, that you turn your pictures into digital art, that they should pay social amount and you get it done. A lot of them will sign up. Okay, so this is how you can also make money with this particular trick I just showed you right now. Okay, so I hope this video is well explanatory and serves its purpose. Okay, so if you need it, kindly go to the link in the description and purchase your own gig. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.